My name is Zara Mansouri and I'm the set and costume designer for Le Toit. My response to the piece was just how exciting the energy and the surge of excitement within the music is. I really enjoyed the storyline because it's a comedy, and the absurdity of the piece. The king is trying to find a subject whose head they're going to cut off. And I really enjoyed just the fact that a royal king in this day to be finding somebody's head to chop off. I just wanted to capture that comedy. So after I have made the maquette, I then get together with our very talented team at Zuid. I work very closely with Natalie and Sylve on how logistically the elements of the set need to be so that they can tour, that they obviously need to fit in budget, and also what the knowledge of our builders have. So I offer them the design and the model, and they come back to me with how they're gonna recreate it with like choosing which paint might be best, for instance, on the floor, or how the structure needs to be toured as well. Process of elimination till you arrive at the final pieces of the puzzle that are going to create our final set. So once I've designed the costumes, I sit with the talented costume team. Leo will show me many fabric samples and we'll go through it. It's almost like looking for treasure. So we go through the stock, fabrics that already exist here. We'll go out shopping and piece together whether things are made or bought. And then they'll show me toiles of how they've interpreted my design. There's also prints in the fabric, so we'll work out the best way to scale a print on the body done on the computer and what colours will work best. So it's like a delve into a sea of fabric, and you're just drawing all the final elements, because inevitably all of these components, we might have 4 or 5 fabrics in one costume. They all need to then sit together, and how those tones will work on stage, how the colours all come together, and that each family of costumes work together. And the most exciting piece of all of this is when we have the premiere. You have the costumes arriving on set, our amazing lighting designer, Danny, illuminating the stage and painting colour into what will be the final production. And then our performers come on stage and the whole world comes alive.